Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. The best 4K rear view mirror camera in the market, the WOLFBOX G930.
First things first, let's talk about what sets the WOLFBOX G930 apart from the competition.
This camera offers front 4K resolution and rear 1080p resolution, with options to choose from 2.5K and 1080p for the front camera. You can easily adjust the viewing angle by sliding up and down on the screen and select between the front image, rear image, or even a split screen view with both front and rear cameras by swiping left and right.
But what makes this camera truly special is its streaming media technology. Unlike traditional rear-view mirrors, the streaming media rear-view mirror offers a wider field of vision and ultra-clear, non-distorted images, providing a safer driving experience by eliminating those pesky blind spots.
Now, here's the cool part.
With the GPS receiver plugged into the dash cam mirror, you can view live speed and direction right on the screen. Plus, you can obtain valid GPS information by reviewing all recorded videos on the GPS player.
And speaking of security, the WOLFBOX G930 offers a parking monitor mode, activated with an additional hardware kit. This feature ensures enhanced security and peace of mind for your vehicle when parked, so no more worrying about potential accidents or thefts while you're away. The WDR technology balances the lights, providing clear visibility when driving at night.
Now, let's talk about loop recording and G-sensor function.
The dash cam provides continuous and secure recording monitoring while you're away.
It records in a loop every 1/2 of a minute until the oldest videos are overwritten by new ones.
The G-sensor automatically detects collisions and locks the current video, allowing you to find valid evidence within the locked video. The updated Type-C interface means higher transmission rates and support for higher current, making this camera even more secure and reliable. And here's the cherry on top. The WOLFBOX G930 comes with a free 64GB card and is backed by a full 1-year warranty.
Plus, they offer 24/7 technical support, so you can reach out to their customer service anytime with questions. Alright, let's talk installation.
Many of you may be wondering how easy it is to set up the WOLFBOX G930.
Well, it's a breeze.
They provide rubber straps to secure it to your rearview mirror, and it's a simple plug-and-play setup with the 12 volts outlet.
If you want a cleaner look, you can also hardwire it to your fuse box. There are even installation videos on YouTube to guide you through the process.
And here's the best part, folks. It's like having a clear rearview mirror with the added bonus of a backup camera right there on your display.
No more glare issues, and you can easily switch to night mode.
This is a game changer for those of us who have struggled with glare from our rearview mirrors. Before we wrap it up, let's quickly address the software. The WOLFBOX app is available for easy integration of videos with maps, and it works seamlessly, even for us Mac users. In conclusion, the WOLFBOX G930 4K rear-view mirror camera is a fantastic investment for your vehicle. It offers top-notch features, incredible image quality, and hassle-free installation. And with that 1-year warranty and excellent customer support, you really can't go wrong with this choice. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the WOLFBOX G930, leave a comment down below.
Also, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth product critiques and tech reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out our previous video for more exciting reviews.